in order to understand someone's point of view, you have to think the way they think. You have to see things the way they see things. So the president of Eritrea has been in power for so many years, and you have to ask the question, how does he manage to do this? Because there's always going to be these interviews. How do you answer a question when someone asks you, how are your people doing? How do you manage? There's hunger issues. There's so many issues. On this particular interview that he had, let's check how he answers the questions, and then we'll discuss it after.
Africa, Eritrea, like all the other countries, is suffering from this, and yet you are reluctant to let aid workers into your country. What is the justification for that?
When we have enough food, why do we need someone to feed us?
Because 2/3 of your population are starving.
Why do people want to spoon feed us when we have enough food?
But then how come 2/3 of the population are not getting that food?
I mean, then again, how can you possibly imagine and say, I am hungry when I'm not hungry? Why do you want to believe that? Why do you want to believe people are hungry and people are in need of your support? Why do you want to believe that? That's a very sad state of mind for people who think that they can come and feed people when they're not even in need of feeding. Go and feed the people of the victims of Katrina. Go and feed the people in Haiti if you really want to.
So there's no food or aid problem?
We don't need any food. We can feed ourselves. And I'm bothered. Why do you want to feed us?
I'm sure you don't expect me to decipher everything within one clip and one video. But if we do this long enough, in a long enough time frame, we'll be able to have that point of view from the man. His thinking process, the way he perceives things. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I am done being, oh, this is this and that. I'm not going to say much. What I will do is I bring it up to you, and then we can discuss it. Bring forth the information, and so therefore people can see and have their own points and opinions. And the opinions we can discuss in the comment section. Please do not get mad. And the opinions are always in the comment section, okay? Let's do that. And thank you for watching as well. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love and support. I'm getting a lot of support and love from y'all, so appreciate it.